my channel. Today is Saturday, July 18, and today we're gonna go outside and do some grocery. We usually do our grocery during the weekends. So, and also, we're gonna go to the car dealership. We're gonna check if we're thinking about trading in our car. We'll see if we're gonna find something better or we're just gonna keep our car. I'm excited to look at new SUVs if we can exchange it to a better model, or I don't know, or maybe get something cheaper. Maybe we'll see. I have an SUV, so we got the Toyota Highlander 2019, and then kakakuha lang namin sa kanya noong January, so it's still new, and then we still owe money into it, but we have like 5,000 miles on it, so we can still trade it in if we want to. So that's what we're planning to do, like look for a new car, because we got the Toyota Highlander 2019, and for the Toyota Highlander it doesn't have the CarPlay, and I like that CarPlay. If you're an iPhone user, it's really nice. I don't know, it's, for me it's cool. So yun, parang yun yung pinaka nailaw ako sa kotseng yun. I want the Apple CarPlay. So we're gonna look for a car that has Apple CarPlay, and then also has the same features as our current car. Actually, I want the Toyota Highlander 2020 because ang forma kasi nung trim nung front. So yeah, yun yung plano namin. If hindi yun, I also look Honda Pilot. Not sure. It's cool, but alam niyo yung pag nagtitingin kayo sa online, and then ang forma niya tignan, but when it comes to like personal, or pag nasa harapan mo na siya, iba yung itsura niya. So I wanna see what it looks like sa personal, and then we'll think about it. Then we're gonna deal with my husband is gonna deal with the dealer. Well, I'm just gonna get ready, and I'm gonna get the kids ready so we can go, because it's currently 12:20 and gutom na kami. Some too. Give me some coffee too.
And even juice. And even candy.
Oopsie. Okay.
Yeah, yung brake na naman. Brake.
On my head.
I'm gonna be okay.
Let's go.
Right. We're going to the commissary.
Guidance will start now.
No.
Yeah, we're going to the commissary
No.
to do some grocery. Ooh, look at the traffic.
And buy candy.
blue one. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have that. And you have all of this.
Look.
Looks so fancy.
Go to the restaurant.
I'm gonna go to the restaurant. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat.
Candy.
Oh, candy. Look, you're flush.
I just take my mask off because I'm drinking.
Where's your mask?
I just drinking more water because I'm going to drink it all water. I'm going to drink your water and Daddy's water.
Oh, you want to drink first?
The free.
To the entrance that you pay.
Yeah,
Someone there.
So it's a trade-off.
Basically.
Alright, so what's my final numbers? Like, okay, let's say if I do go with that, what's my final numbers for the future? Yeah, if we can go ahead and do the loan application,
Yeah.
and then that way I
Everything
can
to go through.
yeah, that way I can see yes or no with things. I don't like playing around, you know. And then I like to get going soon. I want to eat dinner.
You want to fill it out here for me?
Yeah, sure.
I'm a cycle.
I believe what time is it right now. It's currently 8:20. We came here before 6. Lots of negotiating and it's a lot, but my husband did it. And finally, we got the car. We're just waiting for the car and we're gonna take off our stuff in the old Highlander. I was worried. No. Get the car.
I can tell you don't like the white flower.
This car. We're home now. Now I'm just giving Joey a shower. I'm so happy we got the car. Yay! We got the car. And we got the car that I want. It's that Toyota Highlander 2020 or 2020. Yeah, it's 2020. So yeah, mommy got it. And Joey's happy for mommy. Are you happy for mommy? Yay! We got the car. So yeah, we got the car. I'm just so happy. It took us 3 hours just for my husband to get the deal that he wanted, because he's the one who's gonna pay because I don't have work. So yeah. Mommy's just happy. You're happy too? Yeah, yay! We got it. It's super worth it. Like, we've been there for 3 hours and we got the car. We got the SUV because I really wanted bigger like SUV, 7-seater SUV, because I'm planning to get my mom from the Philippines. So we have more space, and having kids, yeah, you need more space, like with the stroller and stuff. Yeah. Yeah, we got lots of stuff. She cooperated the whole time. It's past her bedtime now. It's currently like almost, what time is it? It's 9:31. She had a quick nap in the car, right? Going home. So yeah, I just fed her there. And now Jeremy and Kaylee is getting food for us because we still haven't eaten dinner. So that's my vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching as always. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell button so you'll be notified for my next vlog. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye. Good job. Yeah, bye. Say bye, everyone. Say bye.